all around us. Her succinct instructional pieces predict the manner in which we interact today via social media. Tonight I will read Yoko's incredible Cleaning Pieces, a series from her 1996 book entitled Acorn, juxtaposed with a good friend of mine, queer composer Nico Muhly's Grindr Posts By Yoko series. Cleaning Piece 1. Write down a sad memory. Put it in a box. Burn the box and sprinkle the ashes in the field. You may give some ashes to a friend who shared the sadness. And now Nico's piece. Go to strawberry fields at midnight. Bend over wearing only assless chaps. Hold still a minute. Know that mommy sees you. Yoko's Cleaning Piece 2. Make a numbered list of sadness in your life. Pile up the stones corresponding to the numbers. Add a stone each time there is sadness. Burn the list and appreciate the amount of stones for its beauty. Make a numbered list of happiness in your life. Pile up the stones corresponding to those numbers. Add a stone each time there is happiness. Compare the amount of stones to the one of sadness. And now Nico's. Imagine the sound of a stone. Now imagine the sound of your prostate being milked by me at this time. Yoko's Cleaning Piece number 3. Try to say nothing negative about anybody. A, for 3 days. B, for 45 days. C, for 3 months. See what happens to your life. It's a good one. And now Nico's. Find a stone that is your size or weight. Stick it up your ass. Send video. Cleaning Piece number 4. Write down everything you fear in life. Burn it. Pour herbal oil with sweet scent on the ashes. Nico, I would fist you with only spit for lube. Cleaning Piece number 5. Let a list of arbitrary names come into your mind as you go to sleep. Say, bless you, after each name. Do this with speed by keeping a constant rhythm, so in no way you would hesitate to bless them. And it goes. Think of a list of people you have rimmed in the bathroom at Vaughn. Not necessarily to completion. Yoko's Cleaning Piece number 6. Send a note of appreciation to silent, courageous people that you happen to have noticed. Parents, teachers, shopkeepers, street cleaners, artists, etc. Keep doing it and see what happens to the world. And Nico. No facts, no femmes. Okay, some facts. Thank you for everything you've given us, Yoko Ono.